Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Uphold. Uphold means confirm or support. For example, the court upheld his claim for damages. The court upheld his claim for damages. Synonyms: confirm, endorse, sustain.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. The Indonesian courts upheld Mr. Haryanto's claim and rejected man's claim. Now, repeat after me. The Indonesian courts upheld Mr. Haryanto's claim and rejected man's claim. The second exempli. The High Court upheld his freedom of expression in overturning the conviction. Now, repeat after me. The High Court upheld his freedom of expression in overturning the conviction. The third exempli. The conviction was recently upheld by the European Court of Human Rights. Now, repeat after me. The conviction was recently upheld by the European Court of Human Rights.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word bookkeeper, along with its associate bookkeeping, is the only unhyphenated English word with 3 consecutive double letters. Other such words, like sweet-toothed, require a hyphen to be readily readable.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.